Hey guys, my name is Dustin with ClicksGeek, and today I'm going to review a Google Ads case study for a real estate investor client. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss all the great case studies and Google Ads training that we drop in here daily for you. So let's dive into this campaign. As you'll see here, we have two campaigns running for this client. Specifically. So we have the regular lead gen campaign, and then we have our broad match campaign, which is we're working towards further reach with this campaign. So this allows us to bid on broad match campaigns versus, and I'll show you a little bit more in detail here. So the first campaign we have here, and then really what we're looking at though is the overall here. So within this 30-day period, we've sent 391 clicks. The overall conversion rate is 14%. It's a bit low, but these tend to run a little bit lower on these type of campaigns. Conversion rate, or the conversions, are 55 leads for the month. 113 cost per acquisition on this. $113 cost per acquisition, and the total cost is $6,219 for the month. So these specific campaigns, we're generating calls and lead gen. So like a lead gen form. So the client either picks up the phone, dials a number, or touches the call, and then it tracks into the system, and then it tracks back into Google here. And then the other one is they go to the web page on their mobile or their desktop, and they fill out the form, name, email, address that they're interested in selling in this particular situation, and that also tracks back into here automatically. So let's dive into this campaign. I'm just going to give you an idea of what we're looking at on the full spectrum here. So first we'll dive into let's just dive into the ad groups. In here, what you're looking at is you're looking at the ad groups, and inside of this, you'll see that where a few areas we're focusing on are, let's start over on that. Inside here, we have the few areas of focus are we buy houses, fast home buyers, we buy houses, buy my house. Everything here, the psychology behind it is to get the consumer and communicate to them urgently needing to sell their house. And you'll see that as we dive into the keywords themselves as also. And then we are doing a target acquisition on this of $215. That's our target on this specific bidding on these campaigns. So it's like broad match is a little different. But yeah, so that's what we're doing on the lead gen campaign. Let's take a deep dive on the keywords to give you another idea. You'll see that we're also targeting those on the regular lead gen campaign here. You'll see sell my house, we buy any house, home buyers, sell my property, we buy ugly houses, we buy homes, instant home buyers, property buyer, and then you'll see here all of the broad match campaigns are going to be broad match, and this just gives us a wider pool to pick from as far as lots of volume for clicks. And then on the lead gen campaign, you'll have phrase match and exact match type campaigns, just to get more like high quality specific keywords. It's not going to drive quite as much volume, but it's very, very narrowed down from compared to like the broad match campaign. So if you own a real estate investor business and you would like to run a successful Google Ads campaign like this one, reach out to us through the application link in the description below. One of our team can literally clone the campaign, drop your business's information into this, and launch it within 24 to 48 hours. So it's pretty quick. So that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed it and have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon.